Sustainability is embedded into and informs everything EllisDon Construction Services does, from internal operations to the design, financing, construction, operation, and management of buildings and infrastructure. For over 15 years, EllisDon has invested in a dedicated sustainability department, Sustainable Building Solutions, a multidisciplinary team of professionals from architecture, building science, sustainability, engineering, and construction backgrounds that ensure best practices are met on every project. These include waste diversion, erosion and sedimentation management, indoor air quality monitoring, sourcing of sustainable materials, and general site sustainability plan management and execution. Acknowledging significantly more is required to respond to the climate emergency we face, EllisDon has also signed on to the Science-Based Targets Initiative, SBTI, and is targeting net zero emissions by 2050, with an interim 2030 milestone in line with keeping global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Its climate commitment focuses on three core areas: driving to zero emissions across business operations, driving to zero emissions in materials procured, and driving to zero emissions in the operation of the projects built. Under this program, EllisDon is calculating its baseline emissions and is committed to publicly sharing their progress by reporting on their Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions on an annual basis. Already making an impact are 16 completed or under construction projects with Passive House, zero carbon, or net zero energy, as well as over 150 projects under various levels of LEED certification. An example of efforts to voluntarily reduce Scope 3 emissions is the Royal Columbian Hospital project, where EllisDon initiated a collaborative approach to quantify and reduce carbon emissions in the concrete supply. Working with the concrete supplier, structural engineer, and site superintendents, it evaluated each concrete mix for specified performance characteristics and schedule implications, including critical path impact. Through this exercise, it was able to recognize emissions reductions of approximately 20% without incurring additional costs or impacting the schedule. Building its knowledge and expertise in all areas of whole building life cycle emissions through company-wide education and training, EllisDon is committed to combating climate change and determined to lead the charge towards change in the industry.